What's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, like you must have already read from the title, I'm going to show you 5 of my favorite bags. Now these are basically your handbags and your crossbody bags and your satchel bags, which I really love using. Now I'm not showing you like super luxury or semi-luxury bags. I'm showing you very reasonable bags from brands like Accessorize, Bagit and Lavi, and also I have one from Miragio. But of course the ones from Accessorize are like a little bit expensive than the rest. Like comparatively they are a little more expensive, but I'm sure you're gonna love all of these bags. I also have filmed a few videos on my bag collection a few times like previously. I'm gonna make sure to link those videos in the description box for you guys, in case you guys love watching bags collection of others and you have an interest in bags, you're a bag holder like me, then you will definitely appreciate those videos as well. So for today, without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright you guys, I have these 5 bags sitting right here. These are literally my lifeline when it comes to bags. I have so many bags, but one thing which I have realized is that for different occasions and for different outfits, you can actually style them with different bags. Like for specific outfits ना कुछ bags होते हैं जो बहुत ही अच्छे से आप match करके ले सकते हो. Like you have certain bags which go very well with dresses, crossbody bags go really well with jeans and everything. So I think if you have like a collection of bags ना, तो आप mix and match करके rotate करके use कर सकते हो. That is exactly the policy which I follow. And secondly, I follow another policy which is that if I am buying a lot of bags, I try to make sure that no two of them look very similar or are of exactly the same utility. They should have some difference in their shape, in their look, or in some way or the other they should definitely be a little different from each other, because there's no fun in investing in 2 or 3 things which basically do the same thing for you, basically has the same purpose or looks very similar. You get my point, right? I explained in a very complicated way, but I try to say a very simple thing. So anyway, without doing any more buck, let's start with the very first bag for today. मैं सबसे पहले शुरू करने वाली हूँ मेरे recent 2 obsessions से, okay? So सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को दिखाने वाली हूँ this bag from Miragio. Now Miragio is this brand which I don't know, it came in from somewhere and it has sort of taken over the market, and rightfully so, because their bags are top notch. Their bags are so good. They have bags of all shapes, all sizes. Their tote bags are really nice, though I don't own a tote from them yet, but I plan to buy one of their totes like in the near future surely. But I own a bag from them and I absolutely love it. The one that I have is this one. This is a crossbody bag. Now look at the shape of this bag, you guys. This shape is so super unique. If I can remember my math classes properly, this happens to be a trapezium. Like that is the shape of this. Okay, now I have another trapezium bag with me and even that is black, but I'm going to show you exactly how different that is from this one. I'm going to explain everything, okay? So I love the look of this bag. Just look at this. Of course you get a detachable strap with this. You can carry it like this also, you can carry it with the strap also, so it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, now if I have to tell you about the space of this, like the capacity which this bag has, the capacity is absolutely tremendous. I have a number of wallets, I have some other stuff in here. I've thrown in a lipstick, you can throw in a perfume, you can literally throw in 2-3 mobile phones as well. This is very spacious, a very good quality bag, very sturdy, and I legit love bags which have this sort of a hard appearance, you know, जो बहुत easily fold नहीं हो जाते, फट नहीं जाते. मुझे ऐसे bags से legit प्यार है, and this is super gorgeous. I actually had carried this to my staycation to the Taj Mahal Tower. We'd gone there for a staycation recently. The vlogs are up on my channel, you can check them out if you want. So वहाँ पे मैंने आप लोगों के साथ एक छोटा सा glimpse share किया था ये वाले बैग का, and I told you that I will definitely in one of my videos talk to you guys about this bag in detail because I absolutely love this bag. Okay, मैंने पता नहीं कितनी बार ये बोल दिया है. Now the MRP of this bag is $44.99 if I'm not wrong, and I got this from Ajio. Ajio and Myntra both have like legit proper bags. उनके bags एकदम authentic होते हैं, so no need to worry there. ये वाला पर्टिकुलर बैग मैंने अजियो से लिया था, like I said. So I completely love this. Now I will swiftly move on to my second obsession, which happens to be this bag from Accessorize London. I love that brand, you guys. I love Accessorize London. I own, I think, 3 to 4 bags from that brand, and I recently purchased a wallet from them as well. The quality of their bags is absolutely top notch. So my purpose of making this video is that I didn't want to show you random bags from random brands on Amazon, because I think अगर हमें कोई चीज़ खरीदनी है ना, you might as well should invest some money and get good quality for it. So basically the idea is that rather than buying 3 bags of 2000 rupees each, जो कि आपको last नहीं करने वाला है, it's better to buy 1 bag of rupees 6000 which is gonna last you long. That's my idea and that's the logic that I follow. So this bag is beautiful. It's from Accessorize London, like I told you. Look at the bag, you guys. अब इसका थोड़ा सा शेप बिगड़ा हुआ है, हल्का सा इसका शेप बिगड़ा हुआ है, but it's so pretty. I love this bag. Okay, I love this bag. अभी इसके अंदर कुछ है नहीं, इसलिए the shape is a little improper, but I can show you like this. The branding is right here in golden. They've written Accessorize London, and if you see the handles of this particular bag, then they have like this sort of a leopardy kind of a print, which is amazing and gorgeous. And I of course love the color of the body, the base color, which happens to be this light lilac color. It's beautiful actually. And you basically have 2 big compartments in this, and then the bag is the compartments are basically divided by a zip out here. So abhi to isme I think my sunglasses are there, and I have 2 sanitizers. Of course you can fit in a ton of other things. So yeah, this is very spacious and very comfortable to carry on the shoulders. You also, by the way, get a detachable strap so that you can, you know, use it like that, but I haven't attached it yet because for this particular bag I really prefer the shoulder straps. I completely love this. Tomorrow I'm going to the mall to get a haircut done, and I'm planning to carry this because I absolutely love this bag. I got this very recently. I got this one also from Ajio, if I'm not wrong. So basically guys, the Miraggio bags and the Accessorize London bags that you get on Myntra, you might not get those on Ajio and vice versa. So if you're planning to get any bags from these brands, I think you can scroll on both these apps, and then जो आपको design अच्छा लगे, जो price point अच्छा लगे, आप वो order कर सकते हो. So this basically costs something close to 8800. I'm not gonna comment on the sale price because the sale price is dynamic. वो हर time change होता रहता है. But what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be linking this down in the description box below. So in case you guys are interested, you can click on the link and buy it for yourself. Of course, this is definitely a little more expensive compared to Baguette, Lavi, and all of these kinds of brands, and Miraggio, but it's a very nice bag. I absolutely adore it to pieces. Accessorize London की बात चली रही है, so let's get to the next bag from Accessorize London, which I have been owning for 2.5 years. I think हो गए हैं इसको, and ये मैंने पहले भी किसी ना किसी वीडियो में आप लोगों को दिखाया ही होगा. इसका भी जो शेप है ना, it's a little similar to the previous one that I showed you, but look at the color scheme of this. It's sort of this maroonish, brownish kind of a bag. Now these bags are empty, which is why the shape is not coming out very properly, but I'm of course going to be linking these, and I am going to be placing some pictures if possible on the screen, so you can actually find out their actual shape. अभी थोड़ा सा अंदर से ये fold हो रहा है, but trust me guys, you will have my word for it that if you fill these up with the things that you want to carry, these will have their perfect shape. Okay, now this particular bag is the Carolina handbag from Accessorize. Iska bhi more or less same funda hai like the previous bag. You have two main compartments, and then they are divided by this one zip. Okay, now this particular bag is also very spacious, and this also comes with a detachable strap. So I love using this bag. This goes with so many of my different outfits, be it ethnic, be it a dress, be it a denim. I absolutely love this one. I have used this bag so much. Actually, these are my most used bags. Whatever you see in today's video are the bags that I use the most. I have a huge bags collection, otherwise I have many other bags, but I keep coming back to these bags. Okay, so I love this one will cost you somewhere close to 8100 if I'm not wrong. This particular bag, I do not think I got this from Ajio. I think I got this from Myntra itself. So this is definitely available on Myntra. You will also get this in a black and in an olive green color. I didn't go in for the black one because I already owned a couple of black bags by then, and of course this is also a very beautiful color. I didn't have anything in this color basically, but of course you can go for the black one or the green one. This is also super amazing. Alright, now the fourth bag that I want to show you is from Lavi. I also have 3-4 other bags from Lavi, and all of them are of course very nice, but this one is something which I really prefer because this is their satchel bag, their crossbody bag. This is a smaller bag, so if you are taking it out for sort of, you know, small errands here and there, agar ghar ke paas ja rahe ho and you don't have a lot of things to carry, just your basics, like you want to throw in your keys, your phone, a perfume, something like that, a lipstick, then this is something which will really come handy. So you just open the flap and then you of course have a single chain, because this is not as big as the other handbags I was just showing you. This is the kind of space that this bag has, which also, mind you, will carry all your basics, okay? And this bag is also of top-notch quality, very good fall leather, and you get a handle out here as well. This bag you get in a number of other colors, if I'm not wrong. You have this in a golden, in a pink, in a brown also. The tan brown color is something which my best friend had gifted to me last year on my birthday. I love that one as well. Its MRP is exactly the same as the MRP of the Miragio bag that I had showed you. That one was also for $44.99. This one is also for $44.99. Now let's move on to the fifth and the last bag for today's video. Now the last bag is this one. This one is also sort of a roundish trapezium. You can see the corners are not as sharp as the one from Miragio. Now first let me talk to you guys about this bag, and then I'm going to tell you how is it different from the one from Lavi and the one from Miragio. So this bag is from Baguette. You can see its body, it has sort of this crocodile kind of a print going on. I love the golden branding, it contrasts with the black body perfectly. The metal wear is also golden in color. It's so nice. And this has a chain at the back as well. And then for the main body you have 2 zips, you guys, 2 zips, not 1, 2 zips, 1 and 2, and you can sort of put in your world in this, because this bag is also super spacious bag, very good quality bag. And this one actually is the cheapest bag in this video. This one is only for rupees 3,000. that's the MRP, and kuch na kuch sale aapko is pe mil jayega. But I have a bad news for you guys, which is this one is something which I had purchased from Amazon. I usually don't buy bags or clothes from Amazon, but ये वाला मैंने Amazon से ही लिया था, and अभी जब मैंने चेक किया मेरे ऑर्डर्स में जाके, तो ये वाला अभी currently unavailable है, which makes me sad because even if I link it down below, you will not be able to purchase this exact bag. But I wanted to talk to you guys about this because this is a very nice bag. So in case you go to a Baguette ka offline store or shopper stop where they have Baguette bags, and if you find something like this, you should definitely pick it up, because this is very spacious and a very nice bag, okay? Very inexpensive as well. I think 3,000 for a bag like this is a great investment. So I completely love this bag. And now let me tell you how is this different from the one from Miragio and the one from Lavi. So Miragio का bag भी trapezium shape में है, but like I said, it's like a sharp trapezium, and this one is like a roundish trapezium. Also, this is a bigger bag, and this one is a much smaller bag. But both of these are spacious. This one is of course more spacious because it is longer than this bag. So if you have to fit in something like a umbrella or like a 1 liter bottle, this will of course be the choice that you should make. This one however will carry all the other things which are not as long as an umbrella or a bottle. Otherwise ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा spacious है, trust me on that. This is a much more harder and a sturdier bag. This however, this crocodile print bag is not as hard. It's a much more softer bag, but the quality is amazing nevertheless. And the one from Lavi, if I compare with this, this again is a smaller bag compared to this. This is even smaller than the one from Miragio. This is typically a crossbody bag for your basics basically, like I said. ये भी थोड़ा सा harder है and ये थोड़ा सा softer है, like I said. So that's what I was trying to say at the start of the video, that even if you have multiple bags, just try to make sure कि वो similar ना हो and अलग हो, अलग categories, अलग colors के हो, अलग shapes and sizes के भी आप pick कर सकते हो. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I showed you my 5 most used bags. Whenever I have to go out, I just blindly pick any one of these, and trust me, all of them are super amazing to carry. They're all spacious, very good quality bags, and kuch bhi idhar udhar rough, wear and tear nahi hua hai, which makes me super happy. So I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I'm of course going to be linking all of these in the description box. बिसाइड्स द बैगेट बैग बाकी 4 आप चेक कर सकते हो. बैगेट का लाइक आई सेड अमेजोन पे अनअवेलेबल है, तो लिंक करके उतना फायदा है नहीं, बट आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू टू चेक अदर bags from Baggett, and you can also check out their offline stores. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.